Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. Working on the 2000 Honda Accord. Friend of mine gave me this radio and I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna try to put it on because if you guys know, sound system is something that I really don't like. That's why I still have the stock stereo in my car. But I get this for free and I say why not? Let's improve the interior. It's gonna look a lot better. Hopefully it's gonna sound better. This is Boss. So it should be better than what we have already, which is the stock sound system and the stock stereo. I went to Walmart. I'm not getting paid by Walmart or these companies. I purchased this myself. This is the connector for Honda and Acura. It's gonna tell you which vehicles you can use this harness with, and also I purchased this dash kit. I'm gonna see if it works. I have a lot of cables to splice. It shouldn't be that difficult. So let me go ahead and remove the stock stereo. I already showed this before, so I'm just gonna go in the car, remove it, and start doing the installation. For the kit that I get, it has a lot of these little brackets to fit the new radio, but I don't think I'm gonna need any of these. And probably I'm just gonna need the cover for the screen, something like this. I don't know which one yet, because it's a bunch in there. Also it came with this. Probably if you need to cover a hole, but the whole system I think is gonna match what I used to have before. So I removed the left bracket, put it on, fits right on it. Now I just have to remove the right hand side, put it on, and let me see if it works like that, because I'm still not sure. Perfect. Now I just need to pick the right one. That'll be the pink one. I think that's it. That's the one. Look at the interior now. It looks amazing. Well, this is the easy part. Now we know which cover. So out of all these, we're not gonna use anything. We're only gonna do the wiring now. Look at that. It looks a lot better, huh? This is the one that I need. Came from the kit. The only thing I need to do is splice this. Once I splice this, connect it to the car, connect the antenna, and from here I have USB, and these ones are for the subwoofers and all that. I don't have any of these. I have everything ready, but I just put the wires together to see if it's gonna work. If it works, I'm just gonna put everything the right way on the cables. But I'm not sure if it's gonna work, so that's why this is just a trial. But this should be dummy proof because it has all the labels in here. I'm not sure. There you go. I think it works. I just connect my phone. Let me see. It's charging. It was charging. Guess it's not charging no more. Hello and good morning. It was charging, but now it's not charging. Something's going on with that. Let me put a CD on it because I need to figure this out. Really don't know what's going on. Yeah, we good. Okay, so let me put everything together, fix the wiring. I'm gonna get with my buddy because he knows more about the USB and everything, because it's not charging, it's not connected to my phone. I think the wiring on the back has nothing to do with that. Could be wrong. I really have no idea. Do I know what I'm doing? Definitely not, but it's working. So let me put everything together, and maybe tomorrow I'm gonna take it with him. So probably he's gonna tell me what's going on with it. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.